got the Boya BY-M1 mic, which I think is one of the best budget mic for the content creators and specifically for the budding YouTubers. I have already started using the mic, and today we are going to see how the design and the build quality is, how it performs both in indoor and outdoor environment, how much it costs, and is suitable for whom. And also compare the audio output of this mic with the inbuilt mic of my OnePlus 8 Pro. And by the way, in today's video I got something interesting for you, so watch the video till the end, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is the retail box. The key features and the specs of the mic is printed on it. And these are the complete set of things that I got inside the box, which I already took out. The foam windscreen, the 0.25 adapter in which the 3.5mm jack can be inserted. Inside the box, a replaceable LR44 battery is also provided, which I already installed. The wire is 6 meter long, which is approximately 20 feet and can be of great use if the camera is kept far from the user. And as the wire may get tangled, it comes with this strap, which will be helpful for a better management of the wire. And for storing the mic, you are provided with the small pouch, which makes it easy to carry, and it got a nice texture as well. This is the omnidirectional mic, which means it can pick up the sound from all the directions. And using this 3.5mm jack, you can connect the mic with smartphone, DSLR, even with your PC. By the way, if your smartphone is not provided with a 3.5mm port, then you can use a Type-C to 3.5mm jack audio connector. I bought this from Amazon, though I thought of buying the original one from OnePlus, but due to the lack of availability had to buy this imitation, and I must say it's indeed great and costs less as well. I will drop the link for this in the description. If you wanna buy, can follow the link. Then comes this power pack cum switch module. For installing the battery, you just need to open it and put the LR44 battery, which is already provided inside the pack. It got the option for switching between camera and smartphone mode. The benefit of using the switch is that if you are connecting it with a smartphone, then the power to the mic will be provided by the smartphone, and if it's paired with a DSLR, then the power will be derived from the LR44 battery, which is installed inside the case. For attaching the clip, all you need to do is put it here and press it. By the way, if you're liking the video, a subscribe channel would be stupendous. Now moving on to the second point, that is the sound quality. I'll be testing the mic in both the indoor and the outdoor environment, and at first we'll be testing it in the indoor environment. Right now whatever you are hearing is getting recorded by this Boya BY-M1 mic. The audio is non-edited, so right now the audio you're hearing is getting recorded by the inbuilt mic of OnePlus 8 Pro, and it is also a non-edited version, so you can compare which one is better. Right now I'm in a noisy surrounding and my voice is getting recorded by the inbuilt mic of OnePlus 8 Pro. If I move a bit far from the device, you can find a remarkable drop in the volume. I have switched to the Boya mic and you can find out there is a change in the volume again. This is the advantage of using a lapel mic. No matter how far you are from the camera, there won't be any change in the audio quality. Now coming to the third point, the price. I bought it from Amazon for $950 and till now there is no change in the price. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Those creators who mostly record their video in an indoor environment, I can suggest them that they can go for it, because for this kind of scenario it is the best one. Now talking about the vloggers and the other content creators who mostly record their videos in the outdoor environment, I think it is not a good fit for them, as because it's an omnidirectional mic, it may pick up the unwanted sounds when you are in a noisy surrounding, and the long wire can be a little bit difficult to manage. So for those creators, I think Boya BY-M1 would be a better choice, as because it's a wireless device, though it costs a bit more. It's around $1800 and is available in Amazon. I'll be leaving the link in the description, you can check it out. So overall I didn't find anything negative, and what we are getting justifies the price. And in the beginning I mentioned that there is going to be something interesting in today's video, A giveaway is coming soon in our channel, so if you are interested, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. With that being said, thanks for watching the video. I am Iqban. You are watching IGTube. I will see you soon.